Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Work Sharp WSKTS is probably one of the most versatile knife sharpeners you can find. Whether you're a seasoned chef, a weekend warrior, or just someone who appreciates a sharp blade, this tool promises to deliver precision and ease. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Work Sharp WSKTS, exploring its features, performance, and whether it lives up to the hype. Number 5. Work Sharp Precision Adjust Elite Knife Sharpener. This is a versatile sharpening system. It includes 7 abrasive grits to cater to your knives' needs, from hunting to kitchen knives. It is designed to sharpen all types of blades. The system comes with various grits, including diamond and ceramic. You can choose the best one for your knives. This allows you to reprofile old blades or polish your favorites. Easily adjust the sharpening angle to achieve the perfect edge. Whether you're working on a serrated knife or a smooth blade, this system has you covered. You can customize it to your specific needs. Quickly switch between grits with the tribrasive stones. Swapping rods is simple and won't interrupt your work. It makes the sharpening process efficient and straightforward. It comes with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. Each sharpener is meticulously designed and quality checked. We proudly stand behind the product. It is designed, engineered, and calibrated in Oregon. The product is sourced from high-quality manufacturers. This ensures the product's reliability and performance. What we like. This sharpener comes with 7 different abrasive grits, giving you ultimate control over your sharpening. It also has an adjustable angle, allowing you to customize the edge to your exact needs. If you have a variety of knives and tools, and you want to achieve the perfect edge every time, you should consider this one. What people say. The Work Sharp WSKTS is a great sharpener for knives. It is easy to use and produces a very sharp edge. The design is compact and easy to store. Number 4. Work Sharp Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener Kit. Introducing the Work Sharp Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener Kit. This kit makes manual sharpening faster, easier, and more precise than ever. It's designed to give you the perfect edge. The sharpening angle is easily adjustable from 15 to 30 degrees. You can reprofile an old blade or create a polished edge. It's perfect for all your knives, even serrated ones. Quickly switch between coarse and fine diamond and fine ceramic stones. This allows you to customize the sharpening process. The V-block clamp secures the knife safely and consistently. All Work Sharp sharpeners come with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. Each sharpener is meticulously designed and quality checked. We proudly stand behind our products. This sharpener is designed, engineered, and calibrated in Oregon. We ensure our products are sourced from the highest caliber manufacturers, both in the USA and globally. You can trust its quality. What we like. This sharpener's angle-guided system makes manual sharpening faster, easier, and more precise. The tribrasive rod provides a quick and easy way to customize your sharpening. If you are looking for a sharpener that simplifies the sharpening process while maintaining precision, you should consider this one. What people say. It's compact so it stores easy, quick to set up, and has smooth operation. Can sharpen quite a few knives quickly with this. The guided angle system takes all the guesswork out, and the results are honestly machine sharp. Number 3. Work Sharp 2 Malawian Kwachas Professional Sharpener. This is the new and improved 2 Malawian Kwachas. It builds upon the original, with new features to make sharpening faster, easier, and more repeatable than ever before. The flexible belts conform to the edge of any blade. You can use it as a grinding blade to sharpen outdoor tools, pocket knives, and kitchen knives. It provides more control and power you need for heavier sharpening tasks. The edge guide supports the knife all the way to the tip and makes sharpening easier. All Work Sharp sharpeners come with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. Each knife and tool sharpener is meticulously designed and quality checked at our Oregon facility. We design, engineer, and calibrate this machine all under one roof in Ashland, Oregon. We ensure the products are sourced from the highest caliber manufacturers, both in the USA and globally. What we like. This sharpener uses flexible belts that conform to any blade, making it suitable for various tools and knives. The 2-speed motor provides more control and power for heavier sharpening tasks. If you like a versatile sharpener that can handle both knives and tools, you should consider this one. What people say. With the 2 Malawian kwachas I don't need to have any skill really, no special knowledge of knife sharpening, nothing more than being able to pull a knife across a belt at a similar speed. I was able to sharpen knives that have been beaten to death in just a few minutes to literally shave my arm. The MK2 does a great job at putting the blade exactly where it needs to be to get that perfect burr and then again to get that laser sharp edge we usually only see on high-dollar knives or knives the first time we use them. Number 2. Work Sharp Ken Onion Knife Sharpener. This sharpener is designed in partnership with knife-making legend Ken Onion. It's designed for edge enthusiasts who want precision and consistent results. You can get incredibly keen edges with this tool. The Ken Onion Edition MK.2 delivers a professional-level sharpening experience. It's perfect for use at home or in your shop. This tool will help you achieve the perfect edge. It sharpens every knife you own using flexible abrasive belts and precision sharpening guides. Electronic speed control makes it fast and easy to use. You'll get consistent results every time. All Work Sharp sharpeners come with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. Each sharpener is meticulously designed and quality checked. We proudly stand behind our products. This sharpener is designed, engineered, and calibrated in Oregon. The products are sourced from the highest caliber manufacturers, both in the USA and globally. You can trust its quality. What we like. This sharpener is designed in partnership with Ken Onion, a knife-making legend. It delivers professional-level sharpening results at home. If you are looking for a sharpener that offers both precision and ease of use, you should consider this one. What people say. The Work Sharp WSKTS is a great sharpener for the money. It is easy to use and does a great job of sharpening knives. The Work Sharp WSKTS is a great tool for anyone who wants to keep their knives sharp. Number 1. Work Sharp Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener. This professional-level knife sharpener is built with metal construction. It's designed for all knives and can handle angles as low as 15 degrees. It's even suitable for small pen knives. The system includes 7 abrasive grits, 220, 320, 400, 600, and 800 diamond, fine ceramic, and leather strop. This variety allows you to choose the best option for your knives and tools. With the included digital angle indicator, you can adjust the sharpening angle from 15 to 30 degrees. This feature ensures a precise and clean sharpening for your knives and tools. All Work Sharp sharpeners come with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. The product is meticulously designed and quality checked at our Oregon facility. We stand behind it. The sharpeners are designed, engineered, and calibrated in Ashland, Oregon. The products are sourced from top-quality manufacturers in the USA and globally, ensuring its quality. What we like. This sharpener is a professional-level system with durable metal construction. The digital angle indicator allows for precise adjustments from 15 to 30 degrees. If you like a robust and precise sharpening system for all your knives, you should consider this one. What people say. The Work Sharp WSKTS is a great sharpener for knives. It is easy to use and produces a very sharp edge. The design is compact and easy to store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.